Okay, it's recording.
Good afternoon. Welcome to another YouTube video from AK Trapper. Glad you could join me. This afternoon I'd like to just display a mess kit that I've been working on here this winter with snow country needs in mind. And I put this together and I just want to display it. About 10 pounds. Diameter here is about 12 inches, and I'm just going to get right to it. I made this bag out of old recycled blue jeans, and just kind of like to show this, do a little show and tell. This kit is more designed. This is not something you're going to backpack. This is something you're going to need conveyance for. It's all stainless steel. First thing that I've got is a good sized frying pan. Made by GSI. It's called the Glacier Stainless Troop Fry Pan. It's about 10.5 inches, and it's got a handle here that can lock, so you could actually flip pancakes with this. It's pretty stout, and it's got a double bottom, so you're not going to have to worry about burning your food as much. And so that's at the bottom of this kit. Then inside of here I have another frying pan and a big pot. This is actually 2 gallons. I can't remember the name of the manufacturer there. What's that called again, honey? Revere Ware. And this is a Coleman fry pan. This can also be used as a dinner plate for somebody, and this is about 9.5 inches across. The Revere Ware has a handle, so I actually put a little notch right in here so that I could hang it. But this is really a critical piece of kit when you're in snow country, because you might not have water accessible and you're going to need to melt snow for water, and this will do large quantities of water at a time, which is what you're probably going to need. Also picked up some utensils. These are a combination of spoon and fork, stainless steel.
Hold them still and I'll zoom in. Okay.
And I got 3 for the kit here. And then inside of that I have, I'll just set that on to the side. I really do like this this big pot though. This is wouldn't be so necessary in the summertime if you're camping on a river or something like that, but it's still nice to be able to boil large quantities of water to get rid of the giardia and any other bugs that might be floating around in there. So then inside of that I have some smaller pans and pots, just stuff I had, stuff I've collected over the years. They all fit right, nestle nice inside of the Revere Ware pot there. Here we have just a little dinner plate for serving somebody. We have another little frying pan, and that can also be used as a serving plate for somebody. A dinner plate. This one's stainless steel. This is not aluminum, it's that real lightweight material. And we have a lid for this pot. And this is probably more of a standard size pot for cooking. If you're going to make your pasta or something like that, probably about the size you'd want for it. This is actually a little fry pan lid that goes on this, all stainless steel, but could also be used as a serving plate. Inside of this we have yet another pot and a lid and a serving plate. Be a pretty small portion, but hey. And once again, a hanging bale. Be good for boiling up maybe enough water for your your coffee or something like that. And then inside of that, I also have a chain. For hanging hanging these pots. Adjustable chain. I did have another piece in there, but it seems to be missing right now. I had a hook.
Oh, it's on the counter over there.
Oh, okay, here we go.
I wondered what that was.
Yeah. So here's a...
Okay, hold your hook so I can see it.
Yeah, just a little piece of wire that I bent.
Just put it in, put your hand behind it so it'll focus on it. There you go. Okay.
Yeah. And that idea behind that is it'll catch the bail. Then I have a little piece of baling wire in here that I can use for adjusting the heights of the chain to hold the pot. And the nice thing about having a hanging pot is your fire oftentimes is high or it's low, or sometimes it's just coals. But having an adjustable way to hang this, you can go right from putting the pot right on the coals and just stabilizing it so it won't fall off to you know, way up there if the flames are licking the bottom. And then of course you do need these bags, because these things are going to get black, and that charcoal, that soot is going to get on everything else. So it's nice to have bags to put it in so that you can keep that dirt off of everything else that's in your kit. Here's this largest GCI frying pan information. It's called a troop frying pan. And
Hold it still.
the one thing that oh yeah, I also like to put some scrubbing pads, stainless steel pads here, for cleaning the pots and pans, the inside while you're out there. And then I have a kind of a combination spatula stirring stick. I still need to cut that off, make it a little bit shorter. It doesn't need to be that tall. Over at Pathfinder, they sell what they call camp tongs. I'll show you a picture of them. I have those in a different kit, a lighter kit, but these are stainless steel, and it has a spatula and a spoon. They're 10 inches long. I'm not really sure what he charges for them, but you can pick up something like that if you don't want to make your own. My idea is to carve my own spoon and my own spatula. I like wood. Wood is lightweight, and I enjoy carving. So for now, this is what I'm using, or this is what's going in this kit. Okay, well, that's the video. Call it a wrap. AK Trapper signing out. God bless you. Have a happy new year, and hope to see you on the next one.